Hey guys, today it's not a glamorous video, I apologize in advance, but it's something interesting to know nonetheless. So I have this Jepsco toilet, it's the manual one, which is pretty handy, if you'll excuse the pun, because you can use it even without power, so I like this model. But lately I had a problem, I had some reflux in the bowl. So after using the toilet, normally you pump everything out, you put in some clean water, and then you're done. But particularly when it was a bumpy ride, the water from the tank, which is behind this wall, somewhere over there, was coming back to the bowl. And that made some dirty water and a bad smell and so on. So I looked a little bit online to find out what was happening, and I found a schematic of the thing, and it's actually pretty easy to understand. So here you have a smaller pipe, which is the water intake. With this you take water from the sea, it goes through the pump, and then it comes back on this second tiny pipe into the bowl there. And this is the water you use to wash things out of the bowl. And then you have this larger pipe which comes right here and then goes to the tank, and this is the sewage pipe, so everything goes out from there. And it happens that here behind this assembly that you can see here with the two large screws, here you have the rubber one-way valve. So I opened that, and look what I found. My valve is completely destroyed. It has only hard deposits like stone, and you can see it doesn't close anymore. So normally this allows the flow to go that way, like in here and out this way into the pipe. But then when water comes to tries to come back, those three cusps, I don't know even the term in English for that, so those three parts come together and close the opening, and so the water cannot come back. But you see here they are rigid, and I tried to clean it, but it's no use. They are really hard, and you can see there's a permanent opening there. So this is what gave me the reflux. So it was pretty easy to order online and replace. It took me 5 minutes to replace it and clean a little bit the pipe, and now I have a nice toilet with no reflux and no smell, and this is how I like it. So yeah, now it's perfect. I'm happy again. It made me laugh because people on the internet said that this valve needs replacing once a year, and I have had this boat for 8 years already, and it never even crossed my mind to look for that or to replace it. But now I know, and now you know too. Okay, see you guys later.